Alright, I just finished up next door at the Oklahoma Firefighters Museum. And next door to that is this train. It looks like it's abandoned or out of commission. But anyway, that museum was pretty interesting. $6 to get in. That's pretty good nowadays for admission to a museum, and they had some interesting antique stuff in there for sure. This is near the Oklahoma Railroad Museum as well. Surprisingly, Oklahoma City has quite a few pretty decent museums. Looks like it's in pretty big, pretty rough condition there. And this one says Indiana Transportation Museum on it. That's interesting. Windy out here today. Looks like it's got a bunch of bullet holes. Crazy. Anyway, just thought it was kind of interesting. Interesting roadside find.